Hey, it's breakfast time. We don't have enough time. Let's do something. Let's do something with this. Let's do a product review. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. I'm Dave Garrett, This Vet Cooks. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, check it out. Take a listen. It's going to be good stuff. And what are we doing today? Today we're going to do a product review. We're going to use the JOIE Microwave Egg Bites. That's right. Remember that other one? The yellow one? We made the omelets? Well, guess what we're doing here? We're doing some egg bites. Picked this up at the local Walmart, and it was on clearance. It was on clearance. So let's go ahead and take it out. Let's go ahead and, if they got them, by all means. I'm more sure you can find them online. But let's see what this does. There we go. So it looks like it's going to make 4 egg bites. There we go. It's all silicone. It's like, oh wow, it opens up. Look at that. There we go. That's where the egg's going to go. The lid, and we cook it. It's got instructions. Oh, it's in French. No, seriously. One side's in French, the other side is. Real simple. Prepare your preferred omelet recipe in a bowl using 2 to 3 eggs. We're going to do 2 eggs. And fill each compartment to no more than half to allow for the egg to rise. I get that. So that's why we're going to do 2 eggs. And close the cover and microwave for 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the recipe. Use caution when operating the cover after cooking, as it will be hot and it'll be steamy too. And you can freeze and store in a freezer bag or container for later use. All right, well there it is. It looks like it's real simple. So we're going to need this: 2 eggs, a bowl, some salt, some pepper, just a dash of salt, some pepper or some slap your mama in this case, and I'll rustle up something out of the fridge, probably some cheese, and just make some little cheese omelet bites if I can find some other meats or cold cuts or something, or salami or pastrami or whatever. We'll throw that in there. Veggies, of course, if we get them. I'll find some here in just a minute. All right, well, let's get to forming this thing. Let's see how this works out. 2 to 3 minutes. If it's good, it won't take but 5 minutes altogether. Well, not including prep, gathering all your stuff. Got to get all your stuff. Alrighty, so let's get started. Alright, there it is. There are the ingredients. There's a bowl, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of water, and my go-to has always been, for every 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of water. Alright, we're going to use some of this triple cheddar cheese blend. It's shredded Vermont white cheddar, sharp cheddar, and mild cheddar cheeses. Outstanding, outstanding. Vermont cheddar, folks. If you ever get a hold of some Vermont cheddar, yellow, it's outstanding. If you've never had it, give it a shot. Alright, and of course our seasoning is going to be a slap your mama, because hey, nothing says good if you can't slap your mama with it. So slap your mama. There we go. Alrighty. I'm not a paid advertisement person. Alright, let's get started. Let's break some eggs, because we can't make an omelet without cracking some eggs, right? And we really destroyed this egg. And hey, I made it without any shells. Good deal. Hopefully I'll do better on this next one. There we go. Yeah, look at that. Outstanding. Alright, we're back. The 1 tablespoon of water. And just slap your mama. And we can add a little bit more. Now, what's in the slap your mama, you ask? Great question. It's a blend of salt, black pepper, red pepper, granulated garlic. That's all it says there, but I guess it's just the way they do it. It's delicious. And so there it is. The black pepper, the salt's already in there, and again, we're good to go. Alrighty. Now we're going to use this Kraft triple cheddar, again, shredded Vermont white cheddar, sharp cheddar, and mild cheddar. We'll leave that alone for a second. We'll go ahead and beat this, or whisk this all together. Now, if we had veggies and stuff, I'd throw them in now, because I'm basically done whisking it. And then we'll again load it up here. Alright, now by loading it up there, then I will put the cheese on top of that. So there we go. Alrighty, let's give it a little wipe down, a little wash down. Alrighty, just a quick little wipe down. And we will start adding the eggs. Now again, I would not have used the 1 tablespoon if this been small eggs. The 1 tablespoon of water. Okay, that'll work. This one might be a little smaller, but that's all right. Good kitchen shears, always. If you don't have kitchen shears, get some. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. Do an episode on utensils that I use. And utensils we should all have in our kitchen. Thermometers, good knife, kitchen shears, because you never know. But you want ones that you can break apart real easy. That way you can wash them, unless you want to spend some time really washing them and working it. But the ones that are good, sharp, and break apart, definitely a must-have. All right, I've added a lot of cheese. These are going to be cheesy egg bites. All right, there we go. All right, now we cap it. Pop it in the oven for 2 minutes, and what we're going to do is when we come back after the 2 minutes, I'm going to pop this open and see if it's runny. But don't open it right away because it's going to be steamy. It's going to be hot. Just give it a quick look. See if it's still a little runny. If it's a little too much, time it. So that's why I say 2 to 3 minutes. Again, there is no preset because every microwave is a little different. Even if you bought 2 of the same one off the same shelf, they're going to be different. It's just the way microwaves are because they're dealing with microwaves. Anyway, so give it a look. I'm going to do 2 minutes and then we'll kind of figure it out. Let it sit for just a bit. Open it. If it's still running, another 30 seconds. Play with it a little bit. Play with the time. Let's go ahead and run it. And in the meantime, we got some stuff to talk about. Alrighty. Well, while that's in the microwave, a couple of things. Again, as always, thank you for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Do appreciate you doing so. Your comments, everything you do, I appreciate it. It's very nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Veterans, make the call. Make the call. That's right. 988, dial, press the 1 again. The Veterans Crisis Line is there for you. So make the call. Don't hesitate. You know what to do. You've been told numerous times. And sometimes we got to be told one more time. But sometimes, hey, it's that one time that makes the difference. So I'm telling you right now, make the call. You find yourself in a dark place. Find yourself in a place not too sure what to do. Make the call, text, visit the veteranscrisisline.net website. Whatever works for you, works for you. So please make it happen. Alrighty, one other thing. I want to thank my in-laws, my mother-in-law, father-in-law, again for this cool new camouflage apron. There it is. There it is. It doesn't say my name, but it says This Vet Cooks because that's who I am. And that's the name of the show. And I want to thank them. Their hand grenade, well, that was just something I had laying around. It's a fake hand grenade. See, look, it's got this little thing here. It's not a real one. No, it's just a fake one. It's a toy one. But it fits, right? It kind of fits. Kind of put it back in its place. There it is. But don't worry, I'll be loading this up with the other things a little bit later on. There'll be a thermometer that's going to go here, and we'll talk about the thermometer a little bit later on in a different episode. But in the meantime, this thing's about to ring. Let's take a look at it. And veterans, make the call. Thank you everybody for watching. Let's continue. Let's give this a first look, and then we'll move into the tasty test. All right, there it is. Just came out 2 minutes later, and let's take a quick look. It's been sitting here for just a couple of seconds. Oh, that looks done. That looks, well, okay, a little bit over the top, but that looks done. All right, let's go ahead and let them. Let's go ahead and plate them. Let's do the tasty taste. Let's have some breakfast. All right, let's get them out of the container. Let's plate them. Oh, that looks nice. Oh, nice, fluffy. All right, easy cleanup. Definitely going to be an easy cleanup. Just a little soap water and just the whole thing, and you're off and running. So that's going to be good. That's nice and convenient. How is it different from the original one? Well, you get 4 egg bites. You're still using the 2 eggs. The omelet one, remember this one? You can do some egg bites as well. One big one there. And of course, the clamshell becomes the omelet maker on this other one. So, do I like them? I like them both. Very convenient, very easy to use, and again, it cooks them nicely. It looks great. I'm going to tear into this here in just a moment. Is it worth it? I say yes for $3, and you're one of those that's got to get things going if you don't have a lot of time in the morning. There you go. Microwave egg bites. Joey, if you can find it still out there, sorry about that. If you can find it out there at, like I said, I found this one at Walmart on the clearance rack, but I'm more than sure you could find this on Amazon. So check the, if I can find it, I'll put it in the show notes. It'll be down below. So you can check it out there. And again, there it is. Food grade silicone, microwave egg bites. Prepare tasty egg bites in minutes. And yes, we did. And tasty. Well, we're about to find out with the big old tasty taste. And again, eggs, a little bit of water, some cheese, some of the 4 cheddar or the triple cheddar, and some Slap Your Mama as the seasoning. There we go. 3 minutes, 2 minutes actually. It was just 2 minutes on my microwave, but 2 to 3 minutes depending on your microwave. And here we go. So let's get to the tasty taste. All right, there it is. There they are. Again, the egg bites. So let's give it a tasty taste, and we'll pick one here. Nice. Good. It holds. Nothing runny. Delicious, as always. Slap Your Mama, some eggs, some cheese. Very delicious. Very quick, very easy. There it is. Minutes later, we're done, we're eating, and we're gone. You know, these would work if a little salsa, a little tortilla on it, and a little breakfast taco. Good to go. Folks, this is delicious. It's breakfast time. I'm Dave Guerra. This Vet Cooks.